Now we are getting ready for sports meet. The first walk is duck walk. Come on, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Come children. Be alert. The next one is penguin walk. Yes, caution. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now this is a bear walk, okay? Come fast, hurry up. Now kangaroo walk begin. Listen to the caution. 1, 2, 3.
Smoking mirrors, life's a chase. Flickering sights through time and space. No escape.
Starfish, are you ready? Now we have a starfish race. Listen to the caution and then you make a movement. Start. Next row. Next row. All the crabs are ready? Listen to the caution and start walking, moving. Slowly come. Very good, very good. Come slowly. Very good, very nice. Good.